Quality operations and maintenance manuals are vital to a successful and timely handover. In many instances, missing or poor quality information contributes to costly project delays. OmTrak's unique approach allows O&M manuals to be uploaded and reviewed online during construction. Your manuals can be configured to meet your owner's asset requirements. Asset registers can be customised to match your asset system, including attribute and validation requirements. Project managers and owners can then check and approve content before handover. On project completion, your manuals will fully comply with industry requirements, and a high-quality searchable set of electronic operations and maintenance manuals is provided. OmTrak's electronic manuals are created using an intuitive format that's easy for anyone to use and navigate. OmTrak manuals are easy to assemble. Upload documents via the OmTrak web forms, including drawings, certificates, commissioning reports, manufacturer operations and manuals, spare parts catalogues, and warranties. Team-based access ensures everyone stays up to date, even as people join or leave projects. Select maintenance schedules from included industry standards or create your own. Asset registers can be bulk imported and exported. OmTrak provides a simple workflow content approval process. Preview and mark up your documents online, track the progress of content with reports, and issue feedback and tasks with set due dates. OmTrak digital O&M manuals are professional, user-friendly, and searchable. Seamlessly transfer assets into your FM systems with O&M manuals and asset registers delivered in formats tailored for direct import to your asset management systems. OmTrak has successfully loaded into many FM systems. OmTrak is already being used within major infrastructure projects like New South Wales Health, New South Wales Create, the Department of Defence, and several schools. We invite you to use OmTrak as a pilot on your next project. The software comes complete with operations and maintenance management software and a defects tool to manage site issues and maintenance in the defects liability period. Compare the deliverables of OmTrak against your current handover process. We would love the opportunity to demo the software to your team.